aerating the Moringa konigi leaf or Moringa plant to get the root system developed, and also to the scaly gourd plant it was hardened. So I'm just aerating our plough with the available iron knife. I don't have much garden equipment, so I'm aerating with this. These are the flowers in our garden early in the morning. You can see the sun is rising over the building apartment. You can also see the small brinjal and the pumpkin flower. Many brinjal, young brinjals are there, fruits. On this also the creeper is going on, up and up. Many ants are there. They are trying for their livelihood. See, again I have to spray the linden powder, flower. You can see the brinjal flower. And see the pumpkin flowers. Pumpkin flower wilting. And this is the pumpkin flower. One more, two flowers, and the buds. This is bottle gourd creeping by the side of the pumpkin climber, but no way to climb. Here you can see the pumpkin. I have shown you last week, and this is the pumpkin growing in size. Day by day built a strong stalk. Hi, good morning. Like, share and subscribe Shyamla channel. Bye, good day for you.